Next, right here. There we go. How's it going, guys? Rico the Wedding Singer here. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to crack your neck in a correct position with all the details, baby steps. So let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. So first, the chiropractors, the doctors, they call this the atlas and the axis. So C1, C2 respectively, all the way down to C7. So right here, I just call it the neck spine. So first of all, place your fingers along the neck right here on the spine. So if you move left and right, you can feel that your C1, C2 is moving, but the rest is stationary. So the point is to move all your neck spine moving at the same time. So if you notice, you bend down a little bit and then you go up, you're going to feel about C1, C2, C3, C4 is going to move. Bending down even more will drastically move from C1 to C7. Give it a try. Place your fingers and see the movement. Once you get your muscle memory and you feel how it is, you can try it on other people. So the first time I did it, I was very nervous. I tried with my relatives, my aunt and my cousin. So I placed a thumb around the chin area and then I jolted the neck slightly. And I was like, okay, nothing happened. Again, I asked my cousin, my aunt, one more time. So this time I put more angle and then try to find a limit and then jolt it again. And nothing happened. I kept on doing this for like 7-8 times and then I got the hang of it. All of a sudden it cracked. So do it slowly and incremental. Get used to the neck spine, get used to the neck muscle, and try to find the comfort zone when you're working with another partner. When it comes to yourself, all you do is just feel it. Once you see from C1 to C7 moving at the same time, then you can find a limit. Once you reach the limit, you just push your chin up. So right now, my limit is this much angle. So a little jolt up right here, and I feel the crack. So let me see here. See just one crack. Let me see this side. Another crack. So that was around C4, I think. Alright, give it a try. Get a hold of your spine, and again, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.